What is up? I am back a little sooner than usual. Yes, usually it's like a month or two before my next upload, but I don't want to wait that long because when I wait that long, I forget how to edit basically, and I feel like I'm starting from square one. So this is just going to be a little bit of a vlog. I don't know if there'll be anything informational, but whatever, let's just go with it. How about that? So I went to work out. At Lifetime, they have Fit Life Foods, which is basically food, meals. And then I went to GNC and I bought energy drinks. These are good. Just letting you know, if you see them, they are good. Really, really like these. Another one, another brand. That 3D brand, just because I wanted to give it a try, and I thought Nick might too. They had buy 5, get 1 free. So I bought 10 and got 2 free. Anyways, I just heated up some potato skins. So I'm gonna eat these. And then I had this idea to do like a video with my shirts. I saw someone doing like a fancy brand. It was basically a girl walking up with one outfit on, and then she does a little spin and it's a new outfit. So I wanna try and do that just to show people the different styles of shirts. I obviously have my, sorry, can't, I'm fitnessing. This is a Shark's Bites of Life original, which I try and do all the time. All my designs are mine. It's just that sometimes to be searchable, I'll do like a saying that's already out there. I like to be original with my designs because it makes me happy and it makes me feel creative. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this food, and then I'm going to try and make myself look a little more presentable so I can do this video, and I hope it works well. In order to have your face not look totally washed out, on camera, you have to apply makeup. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to show that my face isn't like dead looking. Gotta love that bronzer. You know what, in a photo, you can't tell if someone's makeup is actually done well because I move it too much. I don't know, at least that's kind of what I'm hoping, because I'm not doing it well, I'm just doing it. Bronzer. See, I'm already looking better. The biggest trick that I've learned are these magnetic eyelashes. I'd say that the eyelashes and eyebrows make me look the most put together. I'm gonna try and show you how I put on my eyelashes. They're just like the outsides, and there's little tiny magnets there. Whoa. And then, so you'll take the bottom one with this clip, and they're labeled top and bottom, but you can also tell just by where the magnets are placed. And then you want the longer lashes to go on the outside corners of your eyes. This is gonna be really tough. So you wanna line up the top one, and then you bring in the bottom. Oh my gosh, if I can make this happen by looking at this tiny thing. Not so much. Oops. And then to take them off, it's easy. I don't think I can show you guys. I don't have the time to really try and do this, so I'll be right back. But you do get the hang of it. This is one of my favorite colors. NYX, Butter Gloss. I love this stuff. This is Creme Brulee, and it kind of looks like mauve. We're not really gonna do much to the hair. We're just going to make it have some volume by throwing in Big Sexy. I'm gonna use this trick that I found on YouTube for taking photos and how to get the right lighting, because nothing beats natural light. I don't even need to use a straightener in my hair. My hair is straight enough. But I do want it to be a little voluminous. See, look it. Looks so much better with eyelashes. And they don't ruin your eyes. I have my pile of shirts. Okie dokie, Smokey. This is going to be fun. All right, so here's my idea, is to use this front door and have the camera out there and then open up the door and be in a new outfit. We'll see if it works. I bought these Filas and I got so much crap for wanting them even. Like I posted on my Instagram, should I get them? And everyone definitely said no. Like 100% said no. And I got them anyways because nostalgic.
When I was a kid,
I had a pair of Fila slip-ons. What are they called? Slides now? I don't know. I just used to call them sandals. But back in the day, we used to wear our slides with socks, tall socks, especially if you played soccer, which I did, and hockey. But I had a pair of Fila slides that were amazing. They were my favorite. And we were in Wisconsin Dells, and someone stole them. Someone stole all my slides from me. I've actually had my shoes stolen twice from me in my life. Who steals someone else's shoes?
Ugh, as if.
Like, I could have athlete's foot for all they know, or I could have like warts or something on my feet. Kind of wish I did so they would have got them. Karma. I really like them. I think they're cute in a weird kind of way. But they're chunky, that's for sure. I'm not just trying to follow a trend. I'm just trying to relive my childhood, apparently. I'm gonna do this next part vertical because I want it to be able to go on Instagram too, so hopefully it doesn't totally cut down the quality. Maybe I'll try it both ways. This is an experiment, you guys. This is an experiment. Hey, Mila. This is my setup. Okay, so after doing that, I am really hot and sweaty. And then I was just rewatching it back and I hate it. I mean, I don't hate it. I guess I'm a little too bouncy, a little bit too much movement, and I should not be so animated. So maybe I can edit some of that out, or maybe I can make myself just go in slow motion, and that might be the trick. So fingers crossed it turns out cool, and I'm going to go ahead and start editing this, and I think that that might just be my vlog. It's gonna be how I did a photo shoot via inspiration from Instagram and YouTube. The end. Nothing too valuable. Oh, and it can also be like how to put on these lashes. But most of the time when you want fake lashes, you want the full lash. This looks really good in photos. It looks kind of natural-ish. Up close, you can see that obviously there's no lashes on the right half, but I only bought the ones with the wispies, so you can purchase the full lash, which I think I might do that just because they are so fun, and I feel like they really make a difference in a look, especially when you don't really love putting on like the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. It makes you look like you already have eyeliner on, so it kind of is like a 2-for-1. Anyways. It's a lot easier than using the glue, I feel, and you can reuse them multiple times. I've already reused them over 10 times, so they still stick. Or magnetic. The magnetic, I don't even know, would that ever wear off? I don't think it does. But I don't, if I put mascara on first. I already had mascara on, and that's why you didn't see me do that in the video. But you put mascara on first, so that way the lashes have a little something to grip onto. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and go and take a shower and enjoy the rest of the day because Nick just texted me and he's on his way home.